Oh my goodness. Here we have a heated tuffet loaf. Look at that. That's pretty cute if you ask me. Yeah, that's pretty cute. How often do you ever see one of these? Yeah, it looks kind of like the office loaf, only it's on top of a heated tuffet. Yeah, and it's strange that she'd be up there this time of year, considering that it's a lot warmer, but I think she just likes to watch things from up here, don't you? Yeah, more often she sits in front of the TV. Yeah, right on the TV stand in front of it. That looks pretty cute too. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. Look at that face. Look at that cute face. Yeah, you don't know whether to watch what's on the TV or to watch her. Yeah, as you can see, the TV is paused right now. So, of course, one would watch her. Yeah. Oh, is that sweet. Hi, baby. Oh, she has to check around the whole area. Yeah. You don't sit there too much anymore now that it's warmer. Might as well check it out. Yeah. Oh, what a sweet girl. What a sweet baby.